That sound, for players, 144 tiles, and a game that has connected families and friends for generations. For millions, Mahjong isn't just a game, it's a ritual, a language, and a way of life. But for a beginner, that first glance at the table can feel like trying to read an ancient code. Dragons, winds, bamboo, dots, where do you even start? Hey everyone, Joe here, and welcome back to the Middle Kingdom Code. This channel is your guide to the rich traditions and hidden depths of Chinese culture. From tea ceremonies to train tickets, we decode it all so you can experience the real China. If you're curious about the customs that bind this culture together, subscribe and join our community. Today, we're cracking one of the most beloved and misunderstood codes of all, Mahjong. This isn't about memorizing every obscure rule or scoring variant. This is your beginner-friendly 2026 guide to understanding the tiles, the basic gameplay, and the confidence to sit at a table and start playing. By the end of this video, you'll know what those little pictures mean and how to form a winning hand. Let's play. We're breaking this down into 4 essential parts: the tile family, the setup, the gameplay flow, and the winning hand. Part 1. Meet the family, the 144 tiles. First, let's decode the tiles. A standard set has 144 tiles, divided into 3 main categories: suits, honors, and bonus tiles. The 3 suits, number tiles. Think of these like playing cards. There are 3 suits, each numbered from 1 to 9, and there are 4 copies of each tile: bamboos, tiao, 可以熬条. Also called sticks or bams. They look like, well, bamboo sticks. The one bamboo often has a bird on it. That's a traditional design. Circles, tong, also called dots or balls. They're exactly what they look like, circles. Very straightforward characters. What? Also called cracks or cracks. These have the Chinese character for 10,000 on them. The honors, wind, dragon tiles. These have no numbers, they're special tiles with their own meanings. The 4 winds, feng, east, dong, south, nan, west, xi, north, bei. There are 4 of each. The 3 dragons, jian, red, zhong, green, fa, and white, bai. The white dragon is often just a blank tile or a simple frame. The bonus tiles, flowers and seasons. These are optional in many sets for flower tiles and for season tiles. They represent luck and extra points. For now, don't stress about memorizing every tile. Just know that your goal is to collect them into specific sets. Part 2. The setup, building the wall. Before you play, you build. Here's how a game begins. All tiles are shuffled face down on the table. That iconic clack you hear is the sound of the game coming to life. Then each player builds a wall of tiles in front of them, 17 tiles long and 2 tiles high. These 4 walls are pushed together to form a square, representing an ancient Chinese city. Wall, dice are rolled to determine where to break the wall and start drawing tiles. Don't worry about the exact calculation in most casual games. Someone at the table will know how to do this, or you can use a simple rule. East rolls, counts around the table, and that's where you start. Each player then draws their starting hand, 13 tiles for everyone except East, who draws 14 and makes the first discard. Part 3. The gameplay flow, drawing, discarding, calling. Now, the heart of the game, play moves counterclockwise. On your turn, you do one simple thing: draw a tile, then discard one. But here's where it gets interesting. You can also claim tiles other players discard. The 3 ways to call a tile: eat, chow, chi. 4 sequences. If the player to your left discards a tile that completes a numerical sequence in the same suit, like for -5, -6, you can call chow to take it. You must reveal the completed sequence face up on the table. Important, you can only chow from the player on your left, pung. For triplets, if any player discards a tile that matches a pair you already have in your hand, you can call pung to take it and complete a triplet, 3 identical tiles. This beats a chow call. If someone calls pung, they get priority. San, kong, gang, for 4 of a kind. If you have 3 of a kind and someone discards the 4th, or you draw the 4th yourself, you can call it kong. This is a special set. You draw an extra bonus tile from the end of the wall. When you call any of these, you reveal the set on the table. It's now part of your exposed hand. The key rule, you can only call a discard if you're completing a set with it. Otherwise, the discard is dead, it goes to the center and is out of play. Part 4. The winning hand, what you're actually building. So what are you building toward? A winning hand, called Mahjong, consists of 4 sets and a pair fushes the tiles total. The sets you need a pair, jiang, 2 identical tiles. This is your eyes or your head, 4 sets. Each set can be one of 3 types, peng, 3 identical tiles, gong, 4 identical tiles, counts as 1 set, chao, 3 consecutive numbers in the same suit. When you have all 4 sets plus a pair, you call out Mahjong. And the round ends. Look at that, 4 sets, 1 pair. That's a winning hand. Beginner strategy tip 2026. Start by aiming for all chows or mixed suit hands. They're easier to build while you learn. Avoid chasing rare patterns. And here's the golden rule from experienced players. Plan ahead, but stay flexible. If you're not getting the tiles you need for one strategy, be ready to switch to another. Also keep an eye on what other players are discarding. If someone discards a lot of one suit, they might be building another. And remember, patience is a virtue, don't rush your decisions. That moment when all the tiles click into place, when the chaos of 144 pieces suddenly becomes order, and you get to call out Mahjong. There's nothing quite like it, and that's the beauty of this game. It's not just about winning. It's about the connection across the table, the shared language of tiles, and the centuries of tradition in every draw and discard. Mahjong is a game you play for a lifetime, and you're never too old or too young to learn. I still remember my first game, fumbling with the tiles, mixing up my bamboos and my dots, but the friends at that table were patient, and now it's one of my favorite ways to connect. If this beginner's guide just unlocked a whole new world for you, I have 3 asks. First, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube that deep cultural content like this matters and helps more curious learners find it. Second, subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code. We have more cultural deep dives coming, Chinese chess, calligraphy, traditional festivals, and so much more. Your subscription keeps this journey going. And third, share this video. Share it with your game night group, with a friend who loves puzzles, or with anyone who's ever been curious about those mysterious tiles. You might just start a new tradition. The tiles are waiting, the wall is built, your seat at the table is ready.